14,000 divided by 10. Here 10 is a divisor. 10, 100,000, 10,000. These are called power of 10, of course positive. To divide a whole number by power of 10, just count the number of zeros in the power of 10 and move the decimal point from right to left. Division means repeated subtraction. So value of this number, that is dividend, will be decreased. So since power of 10, 10 has 1 0, so you need to move decimal point 1 places from right to left. This is a whole number, so first decimal point will appear here and then move 1 places. So we are getting what? We are getting this decimal 0. You can omit this 0 and this decimal, so our answer is this 1400.